You use the internet every day, but most people have no idea where it actually comes from. It feels invisible, instant, magical almost. But in reality, the internet is a physical system, built from cables, machines, and massive buildings spread across the world. So let's break it down simply. Where does the internet come from, and how is it actually made? Everything starts in places called data centers. These are huge buildings filled with powerful computers, not personal laptops, but industrial machines working 24 hours a day. Their job is simple: store information, process requests, and send data to people like you. Every time you watch a video, send a message, or open a website, a data center is involved somewhere in the process. But data centers alone are not enough. They need to be connected. And that's where fiber optic cables come in. These are ultra-thin glass wires, thinner than a human hair. They carry information using light signals. Yes, light. Instead of electricity, your data is converted into pulses of light that travel through these cables at extremely high speeds. This is one of the main reasons the internet feels instant. Now here's something most people don't realize. A huge part of the internet is not on land at all. It is under the ocean. There are hundreds of thousands of kilometers of underwater cables connecting continents. These cables link countries together, so a video uploaded in one part of the world can be watched instantly on the other side of the planet. Special ships lay these cables on the ocean floor, carefully avoiding damage zones and deep trenches. So when you click something online, your data might literally travel across oceans without you ever noticing. But how does it know where to go? That's where routers come in. Routers are devices that direct internet traffic. Think of them like traffic police for data. They decide the fastest path for your information, whether it's going to a website, a server, or another user. Without routers, the internet would be chaos. Everything would be lost or delayed. Now there's another key system you interact with every day without realizing it. It's called DNS, Domain Name System. When you type a website like google.com, your device doesn't actually understand the name. It needs an IP address, which is a long string of numbers. DNS is like the phone book of the internet. It translates names into numbers, so your device knows exactly where to go. All of this happens in milliseconds. Behind the scenes, your request travels from your device to a router, to a data center, through fiber cables or even undersea lines, and back again. All in less time than it takes to blink. Now here's the important part. The internet is not one thing owned by one company. It is a network of networks. Millions of private systems, government systems, and corporate systems, all connected together. No single person controls it. But many companies maintain different parts of it. Internet service providers, or ISPs, are the ones that connect your home to this global system. They provide the on-ramp to the internet using cables that physically reach your house or mobile towers. So when you think about it, the internet is not floating in space. It is physical, tangible, and extremely complex. It is cables under the ocean, servers in giant buildings, routers everywhere, and systems constantly talking to each other, all working together, just so you can load a video in seconds. So here is the simple truth. The internet is not magic. It is engineering on a global scale. And what feels instant to you is actually the result of millions of machines working together across the planet. If this changed how you see the internet, tell me in the comments. And if you want more simple explanations like this, stay tuned.